Welcome to QuoteMan. In this video, you will learn about sub-items and how to create them on QuoteMan. First, let's understand more about sub-items with an example of copper sheets. So, copper sheets can be classified based on length, width, thickness, etc. If we were to create items for each copper sheet, we would end up creating a lot of items. However, sub-items let you create head-wise specifications. These specifications can be filled by the user, and each sub-item would be created in a row-like fashion with specification heading on top. This way, when you create a sub-item, it will ask to fill in the fields and create many sub-items under a single item. Sub-items have many advantages such as, it organizes information very well. It occupies very little space on your quotation and pro forma invoices documents. It helps the customer understand and compare easily. It helps you add large amount of data in a simple way. Now, let's understand how to create sub-items. Log into your QuoteMan account using your registered mobile number and password. Once you're logged in, click on the item option from the menu bar. Now, click on the Create Item button to create a new sub-item. Start by entering the sub-item name clearly so it's easy to identify while creating quotations. Next, create a group specification. If you haven't watched the video on group specification, we have created a separate video on what is group specification in items. You can head over to our website support section or watch out for the same video in the playlist to understand more. Once you have completed the group specs and submitted this form, you will find this question: would you like to create sub-items? Click Yes to proceed. Now you will see the group specifications listed as the headings. You can fill them out and proceed as per the sub-items. Next, enter the HSN or SAC code. Select the GST percentage, enter unit and description. Now, click on the Submit button. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that the sub-item has been created successfully. The newly created sub-item will now appear in the item list and can be added directly to your quotations. You can also edit or delete the sub-item. Simply click on the I View button as shown on screen. You can also create sub-items for the existing groups. You simply need to select the group from the existing groups list. This will allow you to fill out the details as before. You can also bulk import the sub-items data. Simply head over to the items from the option bar. Select Import Sub-items from the drop-down button. Download the sample CSV file. Mention the details in the CSV file and upload the same. That's it. You have successfully created a sub-item in QuoteMan. Thank you for watching. Visit quoteman.in to manage your sub-items and quotations more efficiently.